Weezie's Garden Tips. That's the poison bush. Do we know the name?
Hello. It's euphorbia. This is the proper garden attire.
To trim a poison bush. This poison bush is everywhere in her garden. And what happens if you trim it and you get it, what, in under your fingernails and then bite a nail?
Itch.
You're just gonna itch. You're not gonna die. Okay, Weezie.
Not a problem.
Well, what's wrong?
I said.
You can't open your cutter, so you got to go to the hardware store. Okay, go on. She's gone to the hardware store because she can't even open her tool. And there's the site of the sound. What was the problem?
Work the shears.
Yeah, but why did you have to go to the hardware store?
So I went to the hardware store because I was ready to do battle. I can't open these. He says, oh, just push this up. Hardcore poison. Double pair of gloves. Ready to go. So you got to remove them way down low. And the reason they are poisonous is because they've got this white nectar.
Being downwind, I'm okay.
You're okay, just stay away from the nectar. Poison.
Wow, look at the nectar. So what happens if you get some of that nectar on your glove?
If you get it on your leg, see, normally I wear long pants.
Oh, Weezie's Tips really recommend long pants.
Yeah. Wash your hands after trimming the poison from your bush.
Weezie's Garden Tips. Why do you have chunks of cement in the garden?
Chunks of cement cover up the dirt.
It's a style. Weezie has a style. Is that a tip?